Alright, going to Slot Canyon, New Mexico. There's some arrows on the ground that people left. When the sun's going down, it's 4:45 and the sun goes down at 6:30. So hopefully we get back before the sun goes down, but I got a light. Follow the arrows. With the homies. Ice mode. Going to Slot Canyon. I said that correctly, S-L-O-T. Slot Canyon. Yeah, I know you. Hide your kids, hide your wife. A little windy today. Anyways, this is where the water runs through the canyon. So it carved a little opening here. Hola, cholas. Señorita Pancake.
Get out my business. Thank you.
Hello.
Oh, wait, Joe, wait.
Voy a pasar.
No.
Oh, you getting a picture?
Ana, no.
Hold on.
No, just it's like, holy shit. What? I don't remember seeing this one.
You haven't gone this far?
No, I did. I went. The rock wasn't there? I don't remember seeing this one. Okay, I'm not scared. Yeah.
Here, mano.
I'm a little stepper.
Mano.
Yo. Oh. Whee! Thank you. And that's coming to a year plus soon that you'll be in El Paso. I think it's time for you to buy some boots. Maybe. 6 months, yeah. I can feel the sand in my boots now. No.
Yeah, we're going.
Boots.
We're almost out?
Yeah.
Citrus peel. Gotta call it Aggie. We made it out.
Yep. Woo! Let there be light. Oh, this is where you took your pic, Anna?
Yeah.
Once you get to the top?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Like a picture looking down at the canyon?
Take a picture of all the crack.
The butt cracks?
No, the canyon. Silly. Whoa.
Yeah, not too bad. That's good.
We're going up there.
Oh, on top of that thing?
Yeah, we're gonna sit there at the edge.
Okay. So on the way back, we just go back the same way we came, or what? I got it. I'll go ahead a little bit. Follow the trail. Alright, we made this top of Slot Canyon. It's crazy, so we gotta get down.